Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to use this Lovart AI and we will do the simple review of it. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. So guys, don't worry because this Lovart AI can be used not only in the smartphone but it can be accessed to into your laptop or tab. And here I'm using my laptop and I accessed it into this Google Chrome, and you can simply open it with Lovart AI, and this is the look of the suggestion, and you can click it, and after that it will usually direct you into the introduction page to do the login first with your email. So for the new user, they will usually give you the 300 credits, and don't worry because this can be renewed daily if you run out the credit itself. And for example, if you can see or explore the creation of the another user first. For example, I will look for this creation. There are the picture and also the video, and you can also see the inspiration of the prompt, so you can create the very realistic picture of or video here. As you can see, that prompt needs to be very complete and also detailed, so the picture or the video can be generated very good. And you can also see here that something that has been created by the Lovart user is about the branding, maybe the poster, illustration, UI layout, and also the character design, video storyboards, and also the product design, architectural design. So that's all. And for example, here I will show you the creation that I had done before. For example, the slicing video was inspiring me to create this video, so I will take this video as my example to create the video, and I should suggest you to click the love of this creation before, and I thank you for this inspiration. Thank you Leonor 9 here. You can follow it and see the creations of her or his. And as you can see, I do the modification, and I would love to change it into the clear diamond perfume bottle on a wooden cutting board. And also, it should have not a fruit, but it should be the liquid that turning into the golden liquid and shining. But actually this AI can understand, and actually the generation process usually take until 2 minutes, and after that it will give you the result like this. And let's watch guys. So the prompt that I made before needs to be at about the sound of the slicing process, and it still needs to be modified. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this AI because it is really clear, and make sure that you can do your prompt before, so you can add the prompt to become more detailed, so the creation can be look in the very high quality. So That's all. And also, if you have any requests or feedback, please don't be hesitate to put it on a comment down below, because we would love to see your comments there. And I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.